Now, I'm not sure exactly what type of plastics these are, but as you can see, this is really weathered and discolored. This is originally like a blue color. I already did this part here. As you can see, big color difference. Now it's really easy to do. All you need is a heat gun. This is like a cheap Harbor Freight heat gun. Works really well. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it works. Now when you do it, you just want to make sure you don't get too close with the heat gun, because you'll warp the plastics, and that's not what you want to do. I'm just running a generator here because I don't want to run an extension cord. Did a little section partially. This is not full color back, but I just wanted to show the way it works. I'm guessing it just brings the oil from the paint back to the surface. I'm guessing how it works. But yeah, works great.